Hello and welcome to Daily Market Wrap, where we recap the main events, key market movers, and provide a daily market report. Today, Bjorn, we dive into the impact of escalating India-Pakistan tensions on the stock markets. The Indian benchmark indices faced a downturn today, with the BSE Sensex falling 411.97 points to close at 80,334.81. The Nifty 50 index also dipped 140.60 points. Financials led the decline, with HDFC Bank slipping nearly 1%. Broader markets also faced pressure, with Nifty Midcap 100 and Small Cap 100 falling 2.5% and 1.9% respectively. In Pakistan, the KSE 100 index has plunged 9.7% over the last four trading sessions, driven by panic selling due to escalating military tensions with India. Trading was halted for an hour after a 6.3% drop. The turmoil in Pakistan's stock market reflects investor fears of a wider conflict, with the index experiencing a dramatic plunge of 6,500 points just yesterday. The Indian rupee weakened to 85.59 per dollar, down 0.8% as military tensions escalated. Equities and bonds also saw declines, with the Nifty Volatility Index rising to 21.48. Market reactions are seen as a knee-jerk response to the heightened border tensions, with analysts predicting further volatility in the coming days. In a more positive note, analysts have identified 13 energy sector stocks that may deliver returns exceeding 27% over the next year, showcasing potential growth amid market volatility. This list includes key players in the Nifty Energy Index, reflecting strong fundamentals and growth prospects in the energy sector. Chinese defense stocks have surged significantly, with some rising by up to 20% in just 2 days as tensions between India and Pakistan escalate following India's Operation Sindoor. Avik Chengdu Aircraft, a key player in military aircraft production, saw its shares jump 20%, reflecting bullish sentiment in the defense sector. Trading at the Pakistan Stock Exchange was halted for an hour after the benchmark index fell 7.2%, driven by heavy selling pressure amid escalating military tensions. This follows a similar crash last month, highlighting the fragility of Pakistan's market amid ongoing geopolitical tensions. European shares climbed today as US's President Donald Trump signaled progress toward a major trade deal, boosting market sentiment across the continent. The pan-European StoxX 600 index was up 0.3%, reflecting positive investor sentiment in light of potential trade agreements. Tata Motors shares have surged 9% over 2 days, driven by optimism surrounding the India-UK trade deal and a proposed demerger plan. The stock has rebounded nearly 30% from its April low, reflecting strong market interest and positive sentiment. Punjab National Bank shares are projected to rally up to 32%, supported by steady credit growth and improving asset quality despite facing margin pressures. Brokerages maintain a positive outlook, citing strong recoveries and a significant jump in net profit for the March quarter. The BSE has issued a critical advisory to market participants following a cybersecurity alert, urging them to bolster defenses against potential high-impact cyber attacks targeting the BFSI sector. Participants are advised to review security controls and conduct risk assessments to mitigate vulnerabilities amid rising threats linked to ongoing geopolitical tensions. In conclusion, today's market reflects the impact of geopolitical tensions, with significant movements in both Indian and Pakistani markets. The energy sector shows promise, while cybersecurity remains a critical focus. Let's walk through the latest movements in our key indices. Today, RTs, we saw a mixed performance across the board with declines in major indices. The market breadth was notably skewed, indicating a challenging day for many investors. The Nifty 50 closed at 24,274, down by 140 points. Over the past month, it has gained approximately 8%, but today, the advanced decline ratio was quite unfavorable, with only 13 stocks advancing against 37 declining. The index remains well below its 52-week high of 26,277. The BSE Sensex ended the day at 80,335, reflecting a drop of 412 points. Despite a strong yearly performance of around 9%, today's market saw 12 advances compared to 18 declines. The index is still far from its 52-week high of 85,978. Closing at 54,366, the Nifty Bank Index fell by 245 points today. It has shown impressive growth over the past year, around 13%. However, the market breadth was not in its favor, with only 5 stocks advancing against 7 that declined. The index's 52-week high stands at 56,099. The Nifty 500 index finished at 21,843, down by 229 points. This index has seen a yearly gain of about 5%, but today it faced significant pressure with only 98 advances versus 402 declines. Its 52-week high is at 24,573. In summary, today's market reflected a challenging environment, with most indices experiencing declines and a skewed advanced decline ratio. Let's walk through today's top gainers, highlighting the stocks that have made significant strides in the market. Concord Biotech Limited saw a remarkable rise, closing at rupees 1,523, up by 126 rupees. With a market cap of 15,933 crore rupees, the stock has shown a 6-month return of approximately 40%. KPR Mill Limited surged to rupees 1,189, gaining 87.7 rupees. The company boasts a market cap of 40,637 crore rupees and has delivered an impressive one-year return of around 46%. Niva Bupa Health Insurance Company Limited climbed to rupees 87.30, up by 6.27 rupees. With a market cap of 15,950 crore rupees, the stock has shown a one-week return of 7%. CRISIL Limited's stock price reached rupees 5,010, gaining 310 rupees. The market cap stands at 36,640 crore rupees with a 6-month return of approximately 44%, showcasing strong performance. Kirloskar Brothers Limited ended the day at rupees 1,840, up by 93.70 rupees. With a market cap of 14,611 crore rupees, the stock has shown a one-year return of around 33%. Today's top gainers reflect a strong performance, particularly in the textile sector, driven by favorable market conditions. Let's take a closer look at today's top losers in the market. Several stocks have faced significant declines, reflecting the market's volatility and investor sentiment. CCL Products India Limited saw its shares drop to rupees 727.80, down by rupees 44.81. Despite a strong one-year return of 25.60%, today's decline is notable. Devyani International Limited's stock price fell to rupees 172.61, a decrease of rupees 10.43. Over the past month, it had shown a positive trend, but today's drop of 5.70% is concerning. Poly Medicure Limited experienced a decline to rupees 2,675, down by rupees 160. Despite a remarkable one-year return of 66.60%, the stock faced a setback today. Torrent Power Limited's shares fell to rupees 1,420, a drop of rupees 81.91. The stock has struggled recently with a one-week decline of 7.74%. Sundaram Finance Limited saw its market price decrease to rupees 4,986, down by rupees 283. With a one-year return of 10.86%, today's loss adds to its recent struggles. Today's top losers reflect a mix of recent performance trends and market pressures, highlighting the challenges faced by these companies. Let's walk through the exciting world of stocks reaching new 52-week highs. This milestone often indicates strong momentum and investor confidence. Today, Anto will explore some standout performers that have achieved this significant technical level, shedding light on their market dynamics and potential future trends. KPR Mill Limited has reached a new high of 1,217 rupees, reflecting a robust one-day gain of nearly 8%. With a market cap of 40,637 crore rupees and a trading volume of over 71 lakh shares, this stock has shown impressive performance over the past year, climbing approximately 46%. Seat Limited has hit a new peak at 3,809 rupees, marking a slight increase of 1.2% today. The company boasts a market cap of 14,861 crore rupees with a trading volume of over 7 lakh shares. Over the past year, Seat has surged by around 55%, showcasing its strong market position. Bharti Hexacom Limited has reached a new high of 1,753 rupees with a modest gain of 1.2% today. The stock has a market cap of 86,500 crore rupees and a trading volume of nearly 3 lakh shares. Impressively, it has nearly doubled in value over the past year with a remarkable increase of approximately 99%. BSE Limited has achieved a new high of 6,894 rupees with a slight increase of 0.57% today. The market cap stands at 90,567 crore rupees and the trading volume exceeded 52 lakh shares. Over the past year, BSE has shown exceptional growth, soaring by around 137%. ICICI Bank Limited has reached a new high of 1,449 rupees with a negligible change of 0.01% today. The bank's market cap is a staggering 10,22,353 crore rupees with a trading volume of over 1 crore 53 lakh shares. In the past year, it has appreciated by approximately 28%. Aster DM Healthcare Limited has touched a new high of 547.5 rupees, although it faced a slight decline of 0.42% today. With a market cap of 26,614 crore rupees and a trading volume of over 10 lakh shares, it has shown a solid yearly growth of around 52%. Coromandel International Limited has reached a new high of 2,368 rupees, despite a drop of 1.53% today. The company has a market cap of 67,136 crore rupees and a trading volume of over 6 lakh shares. Over the past year, it has seen a remarkable increase of approximately 88%. Marico Limited has achieved a new high of 740.2 rupees, although it experienced a decline of 2.29% today. The market cap is 93,218 crore rupees with a trading volume of over 31 lakh shares. In the last year, Marico has grown by around 21%, reflecting its resilience in the market. In summary, today's new 52-week highs reflect strong market sentiment and potential growth opportunities for investors. Let's walk through the stocks that have hit new 52-week lows today. This segment is crucial as it highlights stocks that may be facing significant bearish pressure, often indicating potential support levels and market sentiment shifts. Let's explore the details. Jindal Saw Limited has seen its stock price drop to 209 rupees and 74 paise, reflecting a decline of 4% today. With a market cap of 13,413 crore rupees, the trading volume reached over 25 lakh shares. The stock has struggled recently, CD down approximately 21% over the past year. Next, we turn our attention to Vedant Fashions Limited, which closed at 723 rupees and 5 paise, down 2.45%. The market cap stands at 17,566 crore rupees with a trading volume of over 5 lakh shares. Over the last year, this stock has faced a decline of around 25%. Now let's focus on Schneider Electric Infrastructure Limited, currently priced at 556 rupees and 70 paise, down 1.93%. The market cap is 13,311 crore rupees with a trading volume of nearly 4 lakh shares. This stock has seen a significant drop of about 32% over the past year. Moving forward, we will take a look at Syngene International Limited, which is trading at 610 rupees and 70 paise, down 1.7%. With a market cap of 24,583 crore rupees, the volume today was over 9 lakh shares. Interestingly, this stock has shown a decline of 8% over the last year. Finally, let's take a closer look at Ramkrishna Forgings Limited, currently priced at 578 rupees and 70 paise, down 1.12%. The market cap is 10,476 crore rupees with a trading volume of around 4 lakh shares. Over the past year, this stock has experienced a decline of approximately 18%. In summary, today's new 52-week lows reflect significant market movements and investor sentiment. Keep an eye on these stocks for potential recovery or further declines. As we dive into today's market performance, let's take a moment to explore the sector rotation theme. Investors are keenly observing shifts in sector dynamics, which can often signal broader market trends. Now, let's see which sectors stood out in today's trading. Leading the charge today is the Nifty IT sector, which saw strong gains of 0.23%. This uptick can be attributed to positive sentiment surrounding tech earnings and ongoing digital transformation trends. With a one-month return of approximately 8.3%, the sector is showing resilience despite recent volatility. Next up, we have the Nifty Media sector, which recorded modest gains of 0.2%. This sector is benefiting from increased advertising revenues and a surge in digital content consumption. Although it remains down over the past year, the recent one-month return of nearly 2% indicates a potential turnaround. Shifting gears, let's discuss the Nifty Realty sector, which faced a notable decline of 2.47% today. The sector is grappling with rising interest rates and regulatory challenges, leading to a one-week return of approximately negative 4.75%. This trend reflects ongoing concerns in the real estate market. Following closely is the Nifty PSE, which experienced significant losses of 1.74%. The sector's performance has been impacted by geopolitical tensions and fluctuating commodity prices, resulting in a one-week return of around negative 2.31%. Investors are cautious as they navigate these challenges. Lastly, the Nifty Pharma sector saw continued weakness, declining by 1.62%. Despite a one-month return of approximately 3.62%, the sector is facing headwinds from pricing pressures and regulatory scrutiny. This has led to a challenging environment for many pharmaceutical companies. In summary, today's sector performance highlights a mixed bag of results. While the Nifty IT and media sectors showed resilience, the realty, PSE, and pharma sectors faced notable challenges. As we move forward, these trends will be crucial for investors to monitor. Up next, we will delve into the top gainers and losers in individual stocks. Let's dive into today's sector performance to identify where institutional money is flowing. The Nifty IT sector saw a modest gain of 0.23% today. Leading the charge was Coforge Limited, which surged by 2.04%, closing at Rs 7,755. HCL Technologies followed closely, rising 1.12% to end at Rs 1,581. LTI Mindtree also contributed positively with a gain of 0.91%, finishing at Rs 4,600. Other notable mentions include Tech Mahindra, inching up by 0.51%, and Infosys, which saw a slight increase of 0.21%. Next, we turn our attention to the Nifty Media sector, which experienced a gain of 0.2%. Saragama India Limited led this sector with a robust increase of 2.33%, closing at Rs 547.05. Zee Entertainment also performed well, rising 1.41% to finish at Rs 111.16. Nazara Technologies rounded out the top performers with a gain of 0.9%, ending at Rs 1,081. Shifting gears, let's discuss the Nifty Realty sector, which faced a significant decline of 2.47% today. Godrej Properties was among the hardest hit, dropping 4.6% to close at Rs 2,030. DLF Limited also struggled, falling 3.57%, ending at Rs 655.05. Sober Limited saw a decrease of 2.41%, finishing at Rs 1,249. The Nifty PSE sector also faced challenges, declining by 1.74%. Rec Limited was a notable laggard, plummeting 4.52% to close at Rs 392.4. NHPC Limited followed, down 3.85%, finishing at Rs 80.2. Bharat Heavy Electricals also contributed to the decline, falling 3.55% to end at Rs 217.17. Lastly, the Nifty Pharma sector saw a drop of 1.62%. Laurus Labs was among the biggest losers, down 3.93%, closing at Rs 586.75. Biocon Limited also faced a decline of 3.44%, finishing at rupees 334.6. Aurobindo Pharma followed suit, decreasing 3.3% to end at rupees 1158. In summary, today's sector rotation highlighted a strong performance in IT and media, while realty, PSE, and pharma sectors faced notable declines. This rotation reflects the dynamic nature of market sentiment and investment strategies. Now let's dive into today's analyst recommendations, where expert insights can significantly influence market movements and investor decisions. First up, we have So Many Ceramics receiving a buy recommendation from ICICI Securities. The stock is currently priced at rupees 430.85 with a previous price of rupees 421. The target price is set at rupees 604, indicating a potential upside of approximately 40%. Analysts believe that strong demand in the ceramics sector and robust financial performance will drive this stock higher. Next, we turn our attention to HPCL, also rated as a buy by ICICI Securities. The current price stands at rupees 388.1, down from rupees 397 at the time of the recommendation. The target price is pegged at rupees 535, suggesting a potential upside of around 38%. Analysts cite favorable crude oil prices and improved refining margins as key factors supporting this bullish outlook. Moving on, we have Archean Chemical, which has received a buy rating from ICICI Securities. The stock is currently trading at rupees 580.35, down from rupees 602 at the time of the recommendation. The target price is set at rupees 750, indicating a potential upside of approximately 29%. Analysts highlight strong growth prospects in the specialty chemicals sector as a driving force behind this recommendation. Now, let's discuss a stock that analysts recommend selling. Poly Medicure has been rated as a sell by ICICI Securities. The current price is rupees 2674.8, down from rupees 2835 at the time of the recommendation. The target price is set at rupees 2355, suggesting a potential downside of approximately 12%. Analysts express concerns over increasing competition and pricing pressures in the medical devices sector. In summary, today's recommendations highlight significant opportunities and risks in the market, guiding investors in their decision-making. Now let's turn to stocks displaying bullish technical patterns that could indicate potential upward momentum. These signals are crucial for traders looking to capitalize on market movements. First up, we have Sarup Industries Limited, trading at rupees 111.1. The MACD crossover signal has been generated as the current MACD line crossed above the signal line. This indicates a potential shift in momentum, suggesting that traders should keep a close eye on this stock. Next, let's discuss Nahar Industrial Enterprises Limited, currently priced at rupees 110.43. The stock has broken above the upper Bollinger Band, signaling strong bullish momentum. This breakout often suggests that the stock could continue to rise, making it an attractive option for traders. Moving on to Jindal Worldwide Limited, with the last traded price of rupees 64.12. A golden cross has been triggered here as the 50-day simple moving average has crossed above the 200-day simple moving average. This is a classic bullish signal, indicating that the stock may experience upward price movement. Now let's take a look at Citizen Infoline Limited, trading at rupees 31.53. The stock price has crossed above the lower Bollinger Band, indicating a potential reversal from bearish pressure. This could suggest a shift towards bullish momentum, making it a stock to watch. Finally, we have Natra Huchem Limited, priced at rupees 9.86. The last traded price has crossed above the 50-day simple moving average, generating a bullish signal. This momentum condition often indicates that the stock could be poised for further gains. In summary, these bullish signals highlight potential opportunities for traders looking to capitalize on upward momentum in the market. Let's now examine stocks displaying bearish technical patterns that traders should approach with caution. These signals can indicate potential downward price movements, making it crucial for investors to stay alert. First up, we have Gujarat State Fertilizer and Chemicals Limited, trading at rupees 186.89. This stock has triggered a simple moving average crossover, as the last traded price has crossed below the 50-day moving average. This momentum condition suggests a negative trend, indicating potential downside risks for traders. Next, let's look at Glitech Granites Limited, high currently priced at rupees 5.59. The stock has generated a relative strength index crossover, with the RSI now above 80. This breach of a critical level signals a shift in market sentiment, hinting at possible downward pressure ahead. Moving on to Sunshine Capital Limited, trading at rupees 0.52. This stock has experienced a MACD crossover as the MACD line has crossed below the signal line. This indicates a potential momentum shift, suggesting that traders should be cautious of further declines. Now let's discuss Cochin Malabar Estates and Industries Limited, or with a last traded price of rupees 175.9. The stock has triggered a Bollinger Band crossover, crossing below the upper Bollinger Band. This movement indicates a strong bearish signal, suggesting that the stock may face downward pressure. Finally, we have Mahindra and Mahindra Financial Services Limited, priced at rupees 253.7. This stock has also triggered a Bollinger Band crossover, as it has fallen below the lower Bollinger Band. This indicates strong bearish pressure, signaling potential further declines. In conclusion, today's bearish signals highlight stocks that traders should monitor closely. With various technical indicators suggesting potential downward movements, it's essential to stay informed and cautious in this market environment. Thank you for joining us on Daily Market Wrap.